Hi, I wanted to delve into an aspect we haven't discussed in depth: the optimal timing for hosting corporate events on our yachts. Crafting a pivotal moment is crucial before finalizing a deal and signing contracts. It's about creating an experience that captivates and motivates your prospective clients, not just an illusion, but a genuine incentive. At Prime Experiences, we excel in orchestrating such climactic moments, setting the stage for you to finalize new ventures with your clients and their legal teams. On the other hand, commemorating a new acquisition or hosting a networking event calls for a different approach. Here, the aim is to provide your clients with a sense of time well spent, fostering a desire to celebrate their success in style. Through our expertise, we ensure each guest experiences a memorable milestone in their professional journey. Whether sealing a deal or celebrating post-agreement, creating a memorable, enjoyable, and pivotal experience is key. And what better setting than aboard a corporate yacht, where your clients are treated as VIP? With options like the Lady B, Seafair, and Floridian, we offer vast spaces perfect for an electronic music rave. Alternatively, our yachts Lady V and Sun Beach feature stages ideal for jazz or pop bands. Beyond music, we can craft engaging environments with LED screens, surround sound for interactive shows, fashion shows, or unique presentations like plays and stand-up comedy to ensure the entertainment resonates with your guests. Providing a detailed client profile beforehand allows us to tailor our recommendations, maximizing enjoyment for all attendees. Share this content with your boss or corporate event planner and keep an eye out for our upcoming vlogs, where we'll continue to divulge the secrets behind crafting unparalleled corporate events at Prime Experiences. We look forward to sharing more. Thank you.